Printing on campus can be confusing, so the Technical Services window is here to help. Every student starts off with a $15 balance that they can use for printing between the fall and spring semester at any of the printers on campus. The three main methods for printing include direct USB plug-in, emailing to a wpunj printer, or going to wpunj.edu/webprint. To upload your files to the printer for a direct upload, sign into the printer by either tapping your activated ID against the scanner or log in using your student email and password. Then plug in your device. Retrieve from USB and select the desired file to print. If you wish to email your document to the printer, go to your student email and upload the document in a new draft. Then address the email to either printcolor@wpunj.edu, or if you would like the copy to be in black and white, print bw@wpunj.edu. After the email has been sent, just sign into any printer on campus and choose a document from your queue. The third option is to directly upload your document to our printing service, My Print Center. You can access My Print Center on any computer by using the UniPrint tab on your student portal or wpunj.edu/webprint, which will take you to a login screen. Log in using your student email and password. Click Upload to upload desired document to be printed. After the document is uploaded, review the printing parameters of the document such as color, double-sided, number of copies. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen, choose the desired printer you want your document to be printed from, or leave it in your queue and have it ready for you at any printer on campus just by logging into the printer. For any more questions, please ask any of the Technical Services representatives. Thank you.